Okay, hi, we're back with part two of our processing and Python extravaganza with the square. And what we were doing is we were trying to make sure that XS and SY are actually in the center point. And when we were doing this, we were doing with draw square. And I had done this. You guys had XS. Like if I put this in here. Um, we had this and this, and we were noticing that the center point then is up here, which is not good, and we wanted to kind of adjust for that. And what we did was we said um, the radius of the square divided by 2 was going to handle that if we subtracted it. So we're going to say that. We're going to say radius of the square divided by 2, and that kind of puts the square there, and it's still a little bit off. So what I was doing was I was just kind of adding an extra 1 to kind of adjust for that. So see, that doesn't even look good. So let me see. Let's do 1 and not 1 for the other one. That seems about like that's pretty good. Like seriously, maybe we can do like a half. I don't know if we can do that. Let's see if this actually really works. If I get a better result. But we'll try it. You know, I don't know. I sort of don't like to do that. It seems like it's an awful lot of work. Let's do that. Okay. So anyway, and let's take this guy out. We'll do 1 and not 1. How about that? That seems pretty close. Okay. So anyway, I just want to make sure that we have some idea where the center is. Actually, it did work better. Will be 0.5. I'm trying it. Okay, seems actually okay. All right, so with that in mind, we have our square. Okay, now what I want to do with it is I want to have it start moving. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it I'm going to give some values to these x speeds and y speeds, okay? And what I'm going to do is every time it's time to draw the square, I'm going to change x of s. This is like sort of from physics. I'm going to go plus equals x speed s, okay? And I'm going to say y speed plus equals y speed for the square. Okay, now if I run it right now, whoopee, what happened here? Oh, and it can't see them. That's the problem. See that? So it can't know. It doesn't know XS and SS. So we got to do this. We got to start using those globals. So I'm going to say global XS. I'm going to say XY. Whoopee, X or YS. Okay. I'm going to say X speed S, and I'm going to say y speed s. Okay, I think that'll do it for me. Okay, and it doesn't move yet. Okay, but if I go like this suddenly, and I go like this, see it starting to drifting. See what it's doing? Okay, that's good. And if I make it go faster, it'll go faster. There it goes. Okay. Let's see how fast it can go. I'm gonna say like 15. That might be too much. But there it blows by, and like this is what I don't like is that when it goes like that, you can see this sort of like after image of it, and which is not that it has to do with how fast the computer can draw, and and I don't know, we can kind of work with that, but it seems like working at like 10 seems okay, just like kind of scratch. It seems all right. Actually, working 5 seems better to me. And you can do things too, like we could try to up the frame rate because that would make it go faster too. But you still get like kind of an after image. It still does it. Okay. So I don't know. We're gonna kind of mess around with that. Those are things you can change. You can change the speed, right, and the speed. Okay. And like if I change this and make it go like this, so there's a y speed as well. You can see see what it does. It drops like that. Okay. Now what we want to do is what I want to do is I'm going to set the x speed or the y speed to 0. But what I need to do with this is I need to do a little bit of boundary control, okay? So this is like, and this is in the draw square routine, okay? So I'm going to do boundary control. And here's the problem, is that if the thing's going this way and it goes too far, and it goes past our screen width, I need to bounce back. I need to like, sort of bounce on the walls, okay? So I'm going to check out this, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to say if the x speed, okay, is x speed s is greater than 0, which means it's going like this way. It's going in this direction. It's going right, okay? Then I need to sort of check on some things, okay? So I don't care if it's going this way. I don't care about this boundary, but if it's going this way, I do care about this boundary. So what I want to do is I want to check that first. So then I'm going to check its XS location. So I'm going to say if XS is greater than, in this case, the screen width, right, minus the like RS, okay? And it might be RS minus 2 divided by 2. I'm not sure yet. Okay, if that's true, I want to check on that. I want to see if that's true. Then what I want to do is I want to make SX be equal to this, which is the screen width divided by radius S. And then what I want to do is I want to change the speed. I want to make it bounce back. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to say x speed s times equals minus 1. It'll flip it. This flips the speed. Okay? Let's test this out. Okay, so I've got a speed of 5, which is a positive number. Okay? I've got this over here. Let's get the edge showing up here. Okay? It's there. And let's see what happens. Oh. Okay, and what happened here? Okay, so this is bad input online. Okay, so I gotta figure out that. Okay, so XS gotta go screen width. Let me see. That was screen width. Oh, I put a colon there. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's run this again. Okay, so here it comes. 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 Okay, it bounced off. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Maybe I don't need to do like let's do this by half. Rad s divided by 2. Okay, we'll do this rad s divided by 2, and that's because of like the center point of this particular thing. But here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boom! Look at that. That's good. Okay, now we got to get it to go the other side because when I go this way, it just goes away, and that's not good. Okay, so let's do this and say if x speed s is less than 0, okay, then what we're going to do is we care about it going this way, we care about it going the other way. So we're going to say if xs is less than, okay, and then basically we just care that it's going to here, like that, okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set xs to be equal to this, and we're going to flip the speed again. Flip speed again. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Okay, so this handles going going right. Okay, this handles going left. Okay, so see if you can do this. Ready, go. Okay, so here it goes, and there it goes, and that looks good, and that looks good. Okay, that's awesome. So that's what we want. We want for this direction, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to actually try this now. So this works for going going right and left, okay? Let me stop it. Whoopee. I don't know how to stop this thing. Say stop. Oh. I don't want to run. I want the opposite of run it. Here, I'm going to stop it. Okay, there it goes. Okay. All right, what I'd like you to do right here is try yourself, without any help, to try to do going up and going down. Okay? Because this will help you learn how to run this kind of stuff. I'll give you some help in the next video, but try yourself now for like 10-20 minutes to see if you can get it to go going up and going down. Okay, and we want to get this to work, and then we'll get it to kind of slow up so it works by friction. Okay, and that's the next sort of step in this. Okay, all right, so give that a whirl, and we'll see you later in a little bit.